Okay, boys and girls, this is our butterfly unit part 2. So this is where we're going to learn the life cycle about the butterfly. So you're going to go look through your PowerPoint and learn all about different butterflies' life cycles. The first vocab word we're going to talk about is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a series of physical changes that some animals go through to become an adult. Butterflies go through a complete metamorphosis. You'll learn about what that is later on in this PowerPoint. A next vocab word we need to learn is a chrysalis. A chrysalis is the hard shell spun by a caterpillar, moth, or other insects where metamorphosis takes place. The next vocab word is pupa. This is the stage of the caterpillar inside the chrysalis. Then you have the antennae. It's the long appendages attached to the head of the butterfly used to sense its environment. Now let's learn about the life cycle of the butterfly. A life cycle is a series of stages a living thing goes through during its life. On this picture, you can see the life cycle of a butterfly. It starts with an egg, then it moves to a caterpillar. Then the caterpillar is also called the larva stage, goes to the pupa stage and makes a chrysalis, and then the adult butterfly emerges. So those are the stages a butterfly goes through during its life. A butterfly also goes through metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? It is a series of physical stages that transforms the body of an animal. Frogs, jellyfish, butterflies, and other insects go through metamorphosis to become an adult. So remember, physical changes isn't changing your hair color, it's actually changing your body. So a butterfly starts as an egg, then it moves to a caterpillar, and the caterpillar is physically changing to become a butterfly. So the physical changes include making wings, getting antennae, things like that. Butterflies go through a complete metamorphosis. That means the caterpillar completely changes to become a butterfly. It does not look like a caterpillar at all after it completes its metamorphosis. It takes 7 to 10 days for a butterfly to emerge from its chrysalis. So that means it takes 7 to 10 days to completely change. So let's talk about the life cycle a little bit more. The first picture is the first stage of a butterfly's life cycle. The butterfly starts as an egg. Then it hatches into the larva stage, which we know as the caterpillar stage. Once the larva is big enough, its main job is to eat. It needs to eat. It will shed its skin several times because it gets bigger. That's just like us getting new clothes. Because we grow as a child to an adult. Do we still wear the same baby clothes? No, because we're getting bigger. We're eating that nutrients. We're eating healthy stuff to make us grow. When the caterpillar knows that it's had enough nutrients and it's nice, big, and strong, it will start making a chrysalis to start the pupa stage. That chrysalis is, remember, that hard shell that it forms so that it can start having that physical change called metamorphosis. During the pupa stage, it will transform into a butterfly. The butterfly will finally come out of the chrysalis ready to find food and fly.